Ever wondered what happens to your body when you stop smoking? Let time speak for itself. After 20 minutes, your heartbeat and blood pressure go back to normal and the body comes back to its normal temperature. The amount of carbon monoxide as well as nicotine in the blood reduces by 50% within 8 hours. Though cravings might kick in naturally during this time period, the chemical levels reduce and oxygen levels drop to normal. And within 12 hours, even the carbon monoxide levels are normalized. And if you haven't smoked for 24 hours, then you've lowered your chances of getting a heart attack. Nerve endings start to heal at 48 hours, and your sense of taste and smell improve, while the lungs start their process of mucus and gunk removal. There is no nicotine in your body at this point, but simultaneously, withdrawal ensues, and there might be some anxiousness, dizziness, hunger, and a sense of fatigue. Lungs begin to have a faster recovery rate after 3 days of stopping smoking. And within the time period of 3 months, your body gains energy and is capable of exercising itself as the lungs become stronger. Beyond 3 months, your immunity system improves and the frequency of colds go down. By 1 year, your risk of cardiovascular disease is cut down by half. In 10 years, the risk of cancer goes down by 50%, and the saga of the healing body continues down to 15 years of not smoking. So if you decided to stop smoking, the rewards are clear enough, aren't they? Looking for a question to be answered? Ask in the comments below, or Facebook, or Twitter. Subscribe for your regular dose of science videos.